Okay, now we're going to do 5.5b, number 3. So we're going to go ahead and create this surface here. New standard IPT create. XYZ plane, XY plane. Going to start drawing. First one's 1.15 to the left. .39 up. So 1.15 minus 0.3, or I'm just going to type in 0.85. It comes down 2.2 or 0.22. If this one right there you see is 0.04. So let's make it easy on everybody. We're going to escape from there and we're going to start drawing on the other side. So from here, we're going to go up 0.32. We're going to come over if that's 0.3, and this is minus 0.04, so that's 0.26. Now we're going to go down. What it really should be is about 0.15. So if that's 0.39, this is 0.22, that makes this one 0.17. If the whole thing is 0.32, 0.17 plus 0.15 would give you that. So it should be 0.15, but I was trying to save you from the math. All right, so there we have our thing. I'm going to skip my fillets. It says 3 different fillets until once I get my model extruded. So I'm going to go ahead and do a pattern. Grab everything. Mirror on the face. Over here. Hit apply. So we have done that. Now we're going to mirror it across the bottom. So we're going to select everything again. The mirror plane. We're going to take that. Apply, and done. So now we have our part. We're going to make sure everything is closed. So we're going to right click, close loop. Start going around our surface. Everything's closed. So we're going to finish up and we're going to extrude. I don't believe it gives you a dimension, so we're going to pick 0.4. So we have our extrusion. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in those fillets. It's just easier that way. So I'm going to fillet 0.1. That line, this line, this line, and that line. Okay. We're going to fillet a 0.5 right here. Fillet 0.05. I just said 0.5. Got those 4. Okay. Then we have a 0.04 right there. Okay, that's our part. Change it to dark green if you want to make it look a little bit better. File, save as, 5.5b-3 connector. All right, thanks for watching.